If you're using 45 series profiles, another option that 8020 offers is the plate connector. In order to use the plate connector, it requires an M12 tap in the end of your 45 series profile. We're going to take an M12 6-lobe screw and the plate, and you notice there's two keys on the back side of the plate that'll go into the T-slots of your profile that'll prevent it from rotating. We'll slide that together, and then we're going to insert the M12 screw and thread that into the tap. It takes a T50 wrench to tighten the screw, which we'll do here. Once that's together, we simply take the T-nuts and the socket head cap screws. We'll pre-assemble those. And you notice there's notches in the plate. We simply slide those into the notches. We line the T-nuts up so that they're straight and simply slide those directly into the T-slot. Then using an M5 wrench, you simply tighten the socket head screws and those lock in place. That's the plate connector.